Good evening. This is the video newsletter for buysellshort.com for Monday, October 13th. Wow, what a rally in the market today. Not a surprise because we called this on Friday, and in the video this weekend, I said we would see the largest single day rally ever in the Dow, and we would possibly see 1,000 point up day. We got as high as 968 before closing at 936 for the day. S&P up 104, Nasdaq up 194. Since the buy alert I sent out on Friday morning, the Dow is up almost 1,400 points. It does not get any better than that, guys. That's as good as I can do. Here we have the Dow daily chart. We're back up into the bullish falling wedge that we broke out of last Thursday. We've got resistance here at 95 to 9,700. 9,700 marking the 50% Fibonacci bounce back from the 11,400 tank and the 7,800 low. RSI looks great. Volume was great. Stochastics, everything is oversold on the charts. But granted, we're up almost 1,000 points today, so it's hard to say things are still oversold with that kind of move. After hours, stocks are continuing to run higher, especially the ETFs that we're focused on. Dow 15-minute chart, we broke back into the main bullish falling wedge and out of this secondary one I had mentioned. Support now is at let's say 8,800 is support now on the market with upside resistance. This 200-day moving average in the 15-minute time frame has been really strong resistance for the last few weeks. So if we're able to get above 95.40 tomorrow, we're going to see 97 to 9,800 plus. Just an awesome day for our plays. The DIA calls that we called on Friday up almost 170% on the day. ELN up $1.50 or 20%. SMH up 2, etc., etc., etc. Stock plays. Here is the SMH chart. Looks really, really good. We should start to see this extend over the near term. Target $23.37 at least tomorrow. With if this market does continue like I expect it to over the next few weeks, 25 plus easily on this one. Everything oversold despite the huge rally today. Large caps should continue to move tomorrow. If we actually go back to the Dow chart, I would expect a 200 to 300 points more in upside tomorrow. We have the Chinese market up 1,500 points. We're actually up 1,500 points on the Dow from the lows, but we supposedly have the Treasury market or the Treasury Department issuing their probably bank bailout plan. The British did theirs, or the Europeans did theirs today, which was the reason for the large move. Credit markets were shut, however, so we have no idea what the move done by the Europeans is going to do to the LIBOR rate. My opinion is we see the LIBOR rate come down significantly tomorrow. If we do see the LIBOR rate come down significantly, we will see upside on the market tomorrow. Now, take into account we're up 1,500 points from the lows on Friday, so possibly what I'm looking for over the next few days is a gap up tomorrow. Then we'll start to see retracement in the large cap stocks. But on that retracement, we want to see laggard stocks and small cap stocks, stocks that have not participated from the bounce from the lows, start to see buying. If we see strength throughout the market in the stuff that hasn't moved, then this is a legitimate bottom. If we continue to see more of the same and selling, then we might be up for a retest of the lows. So that's what we're looking for tomorrow. Some stock plays, Sirius up nicely today, should continue tomorrow. More on analysts, Sanford and Sons or whatever the hell they call themselves, came out today, downgraded the stock, maintained their hold, and gave it a 50-cent target. Stock's at freaking 50 cents. Thank you very much for doing that one. The stock was 1+ a month ago. or $1.50 6 weeks ago. Thank you for coming out when it's down here now and downgrading it. Analysts are morons. Anyway, the fact that this clown actually put out a 50-cent target pretty much puts the bottom in on the stock. Sanmina, SANM, down huge over the last month, has been bottoming over the last 4 days during the market tank. Looks great here. High cash balance. Would look to add this one anywhere over $1, so 105 to $1 to 105 with stops at 90 cents. Target 120 to 140 on this one. This is a company. It's got $1.4 billion in debt, but they've got $900 million cash, making $100 million a quarter. They have earnings. This is the kind of stock we would be looking to see spikeage over the next couple of days once the market does its thing. Circuit City was a trading alert this morning at 40 cents. Stock's been decimated over the last couple of weeks. Targets were 45 cents, 49 cents, and then after that, I moved to 75 cents. After hours, the stock is at 46 cents. So stock closed at 40 cents, and after hours, we're up 15%. So looking really good here for the open tomorrow. All the indicators, like pretty much every other stock, deeply oversold. Couple of stocks to keep an eye on. ACLS. This company has Yahoo management. These guys turned down a $600 million buyout, $6 a share back this summer. Company finally pulled out that was going to buy them in September, and the stock is down huge. They now have an $80 million market cap. So they gave the finger to a $600 million buyout, and now they're at $80 million. Morons. But this company has extreme value in it. When small caps start to move, this one will bounce back. 125 would be target, so we'll be keeping an eye on this one over the next couple of days for ads. FNN and FRE, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, charts are similar. They really didn't do much today after their gap. They retraced. These stocks should see nice continued moves near term. Breakout, $1.50 on FNM. But this is starting to look a lot like it did back in mid-September when it ran from 35 cents to 270, 900% gain. We're not expecting that, but this one looks good. Treasury plan is going to involve these two guys. We flip over to the FRE chart, same thing. Breakout here is $1.59, target $2. Again, market's up huge today. We should see a gap tomorrow. Then I'll start putting out a hell of a lot more plays because I want to see things act the way they should. So we should start to see small and mid caps and laggards start to move big, and we should have a lot of nice trades near term. To the greedy bears that kept shorting on Friday and shorted again on the open today, all I gotta say is ha. And that's it for the video tonight. Nothing better than being dead right on a huge market call. See you guys in the chat room tomorrow. Good night.